this the exciting moment, Garrett?
Yeah. It's time to demold.
Demold?
This will have to come
melt the molds off.
I'm melting!
This week, we're gonna prepare for bagging on the shop. Let's get started.
Can I take your order, please?
In building with Earthbags, we discovered our family thrived creatively and grew stronger by working side by side. We welcome you to be part of our family for this week's adventure. Whew, a long steak. Nice.
That is gorgeous. Gary, you're gonna save these forms?
The round ones I'm gonna save, yeah. Possibly use them someplace else, so yeah.
Yeah, I love that idea.
Anything other doors, that's what's next. It'll be that door, this door, that door. A 36-inch door right here. That's gonna open in this way. That's that space. Over here, starting right about here, go in this direction. Right there, 10-foot garage, 10-0, 10-0. Then over here will be another door. The big 12-0 garage door goes right here. So really, the next things are post. Post, 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 post. And those are our next things to kind of get in, along with our digging out the trenches for our earth bags.
And you should post and share this video.
Post and share this video.
Nice. Thank you. All right, it's a start. Foundation, huh?
That's it. This will be for the footing for the super-adobe bags.
Oh,
If we're careful.
I was almost brutally murdered by rakes. Woo! That old joke. They jump on a rake and they flip it up. We gotta dig all this up. That's gonna take time.
It's gonna take forever.
It's gonna take time. I'll find another shovel and help dig. There's a cement wall that goes out this way, stops right here, goes back this way, comes up and back over here. And it's just a cement block. Goes deeper than what even the depth we want to go, which is here. So we're just gonna lay right on top of it. It actually will give us a good foundation because we'll bag up to it and around it. We'll have extra space going out alongside the walls. It will help support the wall. We were just digging away, just digging our trench. Figured our trench needed to go all the way around here. We just kept digging all the way over here. And we're like, yeah, we gotta put a post here too. And then Dad realizes
We didn't need to dig in here because the wall stops there and the wall stops there and goes up for the garage door. Oops.
What?
Yeah.
Well, you know, you could use the exercise, I suppose.
Oh yeah.
It's a beautiful trench.
Thank you.
Here come the lovebirds.
Me and my plaid
Arm in arm, like we're at some party. Wow, that is a trench.
Do you know what's cool about this one?
What?
It's where the garage door goes. It's not needed.
Oh no. That is such a bummer, you guys.
I was just getting a good workout here. you know, beef up. Shoveling is good workout.
Yeah, you were
Yeah.
getting in shape, Dad.
I was in shape.
Right.
That's a shape.
You know, we get asked over the years if we should build a gym, and we say trenches
Yeah.
And bags.
and baggy.
Well, I think we should build a robot named Jim, and he does all the work.
Call him the Trenchosaurus.
Jim, the Trenchosaurus.
So what are you doing with your life?
These are going to be forms for the posts that are going to be going in for the garage doors. That's that one for these.
Okay.
Not exactly the most perfect type of bond, but
Three-sided box for the forms.
yeah, it's like a three-legged stool. That's it.
Perfect. Just 4 more to go. Wow. All on that side. Now we have an abundance of stakes.
Yes, we do.
This is interview Bryson cutting in for a quick little tidbit. We didn't show this side of the shop. This is the much bigger side. This is the far side. You can see how big that sucker is. Yeah. This is the 5-inch side. It's gonna be where the big cars and vehicles drive up on. We didn't really show this side being demolded because we figured, yeah, you got to see that side. Why would you want to see this side? But this is the cool side because it's the big thick one. Okay, back to the show now.
Dad decided that he needed rebar in the footings because we're only pouring half of the footings now and the posts on top, and we're pouring the concrete on top of that. Need some way to tie the 2 halves of the footings together. Now our fun job of pouring.
Yeah.
I gotta go grab a hose.
Hose-tastic.
Hose-tastic.
We're not gonna like haul the water by hand.
No.
I think with a bucket.
I mean, we can.
Yeah. Better grab a hose.
I'll need to grab 2 to reach over here.
You know, we could just beam the water over here
Beam it?
from the, yeah. Do a laminar flow.
Yeah, that'd work.
Shoot it over.
Another! Another!
This drink, I like it.
I know, it's great, right?
Another!
Looking good.
More water. Yeah, right.
All right, the wood has arrived.
Hey.
Are you painting away?
Yeah, we're coating the bottoms of these posts and preserve them just a little bit longer.
Painting them with preserving paint stuff.
Yeah. Wood preservative.
Perfect.
Oh, look at that color. Oh, that's weird.
Smells like the stink bugs.
It is. The stuff they get out of the back of stink bugs. That's why it's a preservative.
Yeah. Now the stink bug stays around for a while.
Yeah,
well,
they stay around for a while.
yeah, that's
so.
what the wood's for. Yeah.
So I wonder if they take the stink bugs and like breed a bunch of them and then have something set up so like they scare them every so often, so they spray something and they collect it off of that spray. That's how they get that. I don't
You
know.
just grab them and squeeze them.
Are you sure they don't milk them? With little milking robots?
Like little microscopic milkers.
Yeah, yeah.
over there. And 2 over there. How many of these are you doing, Gare?
8.
8, okay. It's a windy day today.
Pour time.
Pour time.
Pour time.
Pour time.
Pour time.
Pour time. Pour time.
Time to pour time.
But we can't pour time because time is time.
Does time exist if it's already passed? How about no time for the present? Because is the present present if the present's present, isn't it already passed if we say it?
That's why it's called the present. That's going to wrap up this week. Stay tuned for the upcoming podcast on Monday, and then on Wednesday there'll be another video tip, and then Friday we'll be back at the weekly peaks. And also too, there's merch in the shop, all kinds of t-shirts, sweatshirts, handbags, you name it. Check it out in the link down in the description. As always, thank you for being part of our family, and we'll see you next week. Bye. Thank you. A t-shirt design of the week is oh, that's not hang on, I thought I was wearing My Little Homestead merch. Don't look at that. That's false advertisement. No. That thing you could stack 3 Jareds on and you would be at the top.
Let's see. So we got 1 Jared, 2 Jared, and yeah, probably 2.5 Jareds.
Isn't that something, huh? It really gives you a good scale for how high it is.
Our family moved from the city to the country. Thanks for taking part in our adventure. We have new videos every Friday evening. If you would like to help us out, you can like this video, share it, subscribe, or support us on Patreon. See the links in the description.
Okay. We're about to go see the guys out working on the workshop in the wild. Come on. It's a beautiful day here out on the homestead. A little nippy. We had some snow last night. It's kind of like if a blizzard sneezed and then went home. Good morning, Jared. Are you free for a few questions? Would you be willing to take a few? Of course, okay. I don't know what to ask though. So how's the work going on out here? What are you working on?
We are working on getting 4 more of these.
What, okay, can you, so what is that?
This is a post. It goes in the ground. It holds things up.
Wow, that's...
It raises the roof.
Raises the roof. This green stuff here.
I have no idea.
Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time. Dad, are you free to take a few questions?
I'm always free to take.
Okay, so can you reveal what the green stuff is?
Green stuff comes out of a green thing that you pour, and then you brush the bottom with a green thing. Brush.
Right on. Well, you heard it first here on the My Little Homestead YouTube channel. We really appreciate you hanging out with us. We hope you'll comment, like, and subscribe, and do all the good things. Okay, bye.